Hi, I am Jayashree. This is my garden. We should take care of our garden and we should take care of our soul.
First Sunday of Advent, each time the first Sunday of Advent comes and we hear what Jesus said about the signs of the Son of Man coming on the clouds and so on, I am always a little bit sad to see that the mind of the people at the beginning of Advent is more about vacations, holidays, what present I'm going to offer to my nephew, my nieces, my children. And don't you think that we lose the perspective that Jesus wants us to have?
Hi, my name is Lawrence. I heard what Jesus said, and I'm not afraid, and I am happy because I believe in Him. I will see Him face to face.
Hello, Father. So, to answer your question about my reaction to the end times, initially it was fear, but reflecting this past week on all the readings, I feel that my fear has changed to hope. I feel that God is calling me and calling all of us to live and to wait for Him with hope and with joy. So definitely my reaction has changed from fear to hope.
You just read about what Jesus said about His return in glory. What's your reaction? Are you scared, happy?
I am really surprised to see Lord God Jesus.
Why do you want to see Jesus returning in glory?
I want to thank Him for He has did for me so many things till now, and I want to see Him because I didn't see Him, so that's I'm really nice to see Him with face to face.
It does sound scary when Jesus talks about the end of the earth, about the signs, but I think we already see them, the COVID-19, the climatic disasters, the war. So we're almost there. The only option, I guess, is to pray and wait in faith.
Whatever Jesus has mentioned about His coming, the way He mentioned is kind of frightening, but apparently we are going to meet Him in person, so that's going to be so much fun. I believe that is the purpose of the life in this world, is to finally meet Him face to face. So it's kind of mixed feeling, so both frightened but also so happy. The frightened, which makes like the way he describes it, like the earth is gonna be shaken and there's no stars and sun, and that part is only frightening, but apart from that we are and so waiting and also be wanting to see Jesus face to face.
St. Paul in the first letter to the Thessalonians is really giving us the secret for preparing ourselves when Jesus comes back, and He can come back anytime in glory. Well, after all, I give you the secret, but just read it. It's always the same, the last commandment. God bless you all.